Hey people, so as of yesterday, I spent my time reading this thing called The Ageless Dimension by Yogi Ashwini, and it's called Sanatan Kriya. And really, like the reason, actually, this is something I learned. Hey, this is something I learned by reading, this other book by Miss Deepta Roy Chakravarti. And did you know why do we immerse the Ganpati idols in water after that 10-day duration? Or I never knew this, but in in Miss Deepta Roy Chakravarti's book, she explains that when you pray to something, some idol and all, you infuse it with a certain life. So and that it can continue with some sort of life form unless you decide to. It can only be once you disperse it into the elements, into water, then it disperses. Otherwise, that life form, it you create. Yes, you create a kind of life there. And this young man wants to tell me something. Please tell us.
Can I play Battleship in the next video so we can challenge each other?
Okay, so he made me buy this expensive 1,000 rupee game called Battleship, and he wants me to make a video with us playing that game. And yesterday I broke my head and finally understood how to play that game, but I don't know, lots of we'll play that game. So really, so this is the reason why we immerse Ganpati idols in water, because when you pray to it, you infuse it with a certain life, and that it is a like pulsating life form. So when you put it in water, then it dissipates. Otherwise, Miss Deepta Roy Chakravarti, she tells us in her book that it can probably, there is a certain video on YouTube, of this certain temple in South India somewhere, where the deity, like when you are walking past it, the eyes of the deity, it is just a statue, but the eyes follow you. It's one of the most scary videos I've ever seen, but really, so that is the reason behind immersing a Ganpati idol. So this is a young man is busy doing yoga. Everybody is doing their own thing, including this tiny rabbit. So on that note, thanks for watching, and that little guy sleeping. So on that
subscribe.
On that note, thanks for watching, and
please subscribe and hit the
thumbs up.
Hit a thumbs up and ring the bell. So smash the subscribe button, and once you do the subscribe button, you'll see 3 bells. So then you need to tap one bell where it's going like ding. So then you won't miss any videos.
Thank you.